Good morning, Sir Serrano. Good morning, classmates. My name is Noe Domingo together with Miss Precious Gold Inky. And we are partners in creating our game called Piano Tiles. We're going to show you our progress for the second time. So we done adding some features like scores. Another one is game over. And also game complete na kung saan i-congratulate natin sila. And also, since kung matatandaan nyo last time na wala pa tayong design, this time, tapos na namin yung designing, no? Para hindi ganun ka-minimal yung design natin.
Hi, so that is all for our video. This Piano Tiles application in Windows Form is finally done. So, in the next update, we're going to upload yung mga codes na ginawa namin para magawa nyo rin yung application namin. So, that is all. Bye!